Installed the LOMYEN Cold Air device in a Toyota REVO ROCCO 2.4. Test results: horsepower increased by 0.5 HP, torque increased by 4.5 ft-lb. LOMYEN Cold Air. This device improves fuel efficiency, reduces black smoke, lowers NOx emissions, and enhances overall vehicle performance. It also helps reduce PM 2.5 through more complete combustion. Installation requires no modifications to the vehicle. The device is patented and tested by the Automotive Institute. It is compatible with diesel, gasoline, plug-in hybrid, and gas vehicles. For inquiries, contact Line at LOMYEN.